Everybody is entitled to a complete and sound retirement plan. When I mention the word retirement, it includes: do you have enough savings to retire comfortably without having to sacrifice your lifestyles? Do you have enough fund to replace your income in case you lose your job due to illnesses or accidents? Do your children have enough fund to complete their education even after you are no longer working for an income due to age or premature death? Have you prepared your estate planning documents to ensure your assets will not be frozen and will be distributed to your loved ones or used for good cause after you are no longer around? In the past 17 years, I have been helping many professionals out there to secure a sound financial future. One of our unique attributes is that we make sure the solutions that we provide to all our clients comply with the Islamic Sharia principles. With the right knowledge and strategies, plus the experience that I have, and backed by our strong partners, I am confident that we can help you achieve your financial goals. Thank you.